Peace everybody, thanks for tuning in again to another episode of Food is Medicine brought to you by Chef Nick. Today I'm going to show you guys how to tackle bread pudding. Now, bread pudding is made traditionally with stale bread and a custard, and it's baked in the oven. Other ingredients that you can use, lemon juice, butter, I have 2 eggs right here, golden raisins, cinnamon, vanilla, and brown sugar. This dish is popular in many different countries. You can also change the ingredients and make it into a savory pudding as well. Today we're going to keep it sweet because I just kind of feel like some dessert. So as you can see, I have my bread already cut up here. I have a little bit more to cut up that I'm going to add to this. Like I said, traditionally bread pudding is made with stale bread. The less moisture in the bread, it works better with the recipe. It's able to absorb the custard a little better. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get all our bread cut up, and now we're gonna make my custard. 2 eggs here. There we go. Let me step to the side, throw my shells away. Gotta keep it clean, keep my work area clean. Now, heavy cream here. You can use milk. I like using cream better because it's a little thicker. And we're gonna add probably about 2 cups. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. There we go. And if I need to add a little more, I will, but for now it looks pretty good. Okay, so I have my eggs, add my cream. I'm going to add cinnamon. I love cinnamon. One of my favorite spices. So I add a nice little bit of cinnamon there. I'm going to add my vanilla flavoring, just a teaspoon there. My brown sugar. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter right in there. I'm going to add my raisins, about a cup. I love this recipe with golden raisins. You can use regular raisins if you like. I just like the flavor of the golden raisins a little bit better. Last thing I'm gonna add to my custard is a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon juice always brightens up anything, desserts. I always like to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice just to get a little more flavor. All right, now I'm going to finish my custard here just by stirring it, incorporating the egg and the cream together. Now, custard is looking good. If you don't want to use brown sugar, you can also use honey as a way to sweeten this dish as well, which will be a little bit healthier. Okay, there we go. Custard is looking good, looking good, looking good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and add my bread to my dish here. Go. There we go. I add a little bit more bread there. And then we are just going to pour the custard on top of your bread.
What we do here is go back. There
we go. There we go. Raisins out there. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now I'm just going to press the bread down just to make sure that all of the liquid is absorbed to the bread. Kind of evenly spread my raisins around there. At this point, if you see that you need a little bit more bread like I do, I'm just gonna add it. But this is about half of a loaf of bread right here. Cut up into nice squares. Nice. Now, I like to put a little bit of cinnamon on the top. Give it a nice color. I already have my oven set to 400 degrees. You can put it between 350 and 400, either way is okay. For about 45 minutes until the top gets nice and crusty. I like mine a little crunchy on the top and nice and moist in the middle from the custard and moist from the golden raisins as well. Thank you guys. I'm gonna put this in the oven. We'll see you back in 45 minutes and we'll show you the results. Peace. Thank you guys for tuning back in. Here's the finished product, the wonderful bread pudding that we made earlier. Just pulled it out of the oven. As you can see, the top is just how I like it. Crunchy. And then you have the moisture in the middle from the cream. Nice raisins on top of caramelized. I'm just gonna let this cool off for a second. This could be eaten warm, hot, room temperature, however you like it. Whipped cream, ice cream, caramel,